Hey there. Are you new to investing and feeling overwhelmed by all the options? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to simplify things with a book that's become a Bible for investors, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John Bogle. Takeaway 1: Investing is simple, not easy. Investing might seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Bogle says the secret to success is simplicity, not trying to outsmart everyone. Takeaway 2: Index funds, your secret weapon. Imagine trying to pick the winning horse at every race. That's what trying to beat the market is like. Instead, Bogle recommends index funds. It's like betting on the whole race. Takeaway 3: Keep costs low. Every time you invest, you pay a fee. These fees can eat into your returns over time. Index funds generally have lower fees than other types of investments. It's like getting a discount on your investment. Takeaway for long-term game. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about where you'll be in 10 or 20 years, not next week. Don't panic when the market goes down. It's normal. Stay invested and let time work its magic. Takeaway 5: Avoid getting emotional. Our emotions can be our worst enemy when investing. Fear and greed can lead to bad decisions. So, how do you get started? Start small. Even with a small amount, you can begin investing. Choose a low-cost index fund. Look for funds with low expense ratios. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Automate your investments. Set up automatic contributions for hassle-free investing. Do your research. Learn about different index funds and choose one that aligns with your goals. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure, consider talking to a financial advisor. Remember, investing is a personal journey. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. The key is to find a strategy that suits your financial goals and risk tolerance.